मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता। हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर है, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता। ऐ खुदा मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता। हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर है, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता। ज्यादा तेरी याद आती है, जहाँ मेरी जान जाती है। तन्हाइयों में रहता हूँ, खुद से ही अक्सर ये कहता हूँ।
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं। हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं। तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ। आशाएं ले दिल की, गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम वो फिर नहीं आते वो फिर नहीं आते जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम वो फिर नहीं आते वो फिर नहीं आते फूल खिलते हैं लोग मिलते हैं फूल खिलते हैं लोग मिलते हैं मगर पतझड़ में जो फूल मुरझा जाते हैं वो बहारों के आने से खिलते नहीं एक बार जो फूल मुरझा जाते हैं वो हजारों के आने से मिलते नहीं मुरझा चाहे कोई पुकारा करे उनका नाम वो फिर नहीं आते वो फिर नहीं आते
हे दर्द दीदा मीकू तू अंगड़ी बने दे मेरी घगरी पर चमकदार मगज लगे दे हे दर्द दीदा मीकू तू अंगड़ी बने दे मेरी घगरी पर चमकदार मगज लगे दे बिन आज मैंने डांडा देवी का पास जान देवी का नौक भुगत्या मिन आज वक चढ़ान इन आज मन च मेरो सोचना भी मिलालू सोचना मेरी अंगड़ी घगरी पर मोहेलू भी घगरी पर घगरी पर नौ गज की खोल लगे दे मेरी घगरी पर चमकदार मगज लगे मी आज रात एक सुपन्यू प्यार हुआया फूलों का बन मगोमी घाघरी घूमे घूम्यार समणी आया बांसुरी बजान मी घगरी पैरी की नाचन लग्यूं छो मेरी अंगड़ी पर मेरी अंगड़ी पर टिचदार बटन लगे दे मेरी घगरी पर चमकदार मगज लगे दे हे दर्द दीदा मीकू तू अंगड़ी बने दे मेरी घगरी पर चमकदार मगज लगे
आँखों ने लांदी सुराली खूटियों ने तल बली ढसाक ही जालिन सर सरी कुटदी जब आहार नाज धन तेरो भाग आँखों ने लांदी सुराली खूटियों ने तल बली ढसाक ही जालिन सर सरी कुटदी जब आहार नाज धन तेरो भाग
Happy Teachers' Day. It's 5th of September. It's the day when we pay a hearty tribute to our teachers. It's an auspicious occasion when we get a chance to acknowledge your hard work. And we know that in our life, in students' life, teachers deserve a place above the parents, and teachers help us to make our future. They add value to our character. They help us to make an ideal citizens of our country. Although every year Teachers' Day is a special event celebrated in college, schools joyfully, but this year, unfortunately, this year it couldn't be celebrated as before due to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. And even in these critical situations, you are teaching us through online system. You are taking your tireless efforts to teach us, and it's a struggle for you all and as well for us. And regardless of your health and other conditions, you are on the forefront of the battle against COVID-19. That means a lot. We are truly grateful for that, and it's truly you're a blessing for us. So I would like to thank, in fact, on behalf of whole first year, although we didn't have spent so much time in SCON, but those 2-3 months that we have spent there, and in that time we learned a lot, and you were always there to support us, guide us, encouraged us all the time, helped us all the time, and we are truly grateful for that. So thank you very much. So I would like to extend my gratitude to all the teachers for their invaluable efforts and guidance. Thank you very much. Once again, happy Teachers' Day. Wishing you a happy and successful life ahead. Thank you very much.
Wishing all my teachers a happy Teachers' Day. On this special day, I would like to thank you for all the efforts you have put to make us better, and thank you all the teachers for being a great part of students' life. We will always be grateful to you, and so thank you, my dear teachers, for guiding and inspiring us. And once again, I wish you happy Teachers' Day.
गुरु गोविंदो खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंदियों मिलाए. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. On this special day, I want to thank all my teachers for making my life a successful and teaching me lifeless lessons. Thank you for being my guide, my mentor, and making me a successful person. Parents give us life, but you are the one who teaches us how to live it. Words are not enough to express the hard work you put in person to make his or her life a successful life. I had prepared a short poem for you all for the efforts you put in. It takes a special person to teach a child in class to just keep his attention in the world that moves so fast. To show a child he is unique with talents deep inside. To help him build his confidence so he can beam with pride. To show a little patience with the child who has lost his way. To a child who feels abandoned, who has seen better days. To inspire and to motivate so a child can learn and write. To go into the big world wide that has its highs and lows. You are a special person who always give your best. Those who have your class, their life is truly blessed. Thank you, and once again, happy Teachers' Day.
अक्सर अक्सर हमें सिखाते, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताते, कभी डांट से कभी प्यार से जीवन जीना हमें सिखाते हैं. हेलो, दिस इज रविंद्र असवाल. आई वुड लाइक टू विश यू ऑल द टीचर ऑफ ISKCON फैमिली ए वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Happy Teachers' Day.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
देते हैं शिक्षा शिक्षक हमारे, नमन चरणों में गुरु तुम्हारे. बिना शिक्षा जीना जीवन है, अशिक्षित जीवन ही नव जीवन है. A warm good morning to all. This is Priyanka Vish, and today I am here to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. And I want to say some lines for my favorite Sama classes. एक बेहतरीन टीचर के साथ गुजारा हुआ एक दिन, 1000 दिन मन लगाकर पढ़े हुए, दिनों से भी कोई बेहतर होता है. We all miss you and we all miss you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. The Guru is Brahma, Vishnu, and Lord Shiva. I bow to that Guru, the Supreme Being, right before my eyes. Happy Teachers' Day. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give makes you the world's best teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to all the staff of SCON. Thank you.
A happy smile contagious to all, with a heart of gold that never falls. As my role model, you set the bars high, but you have taught me all I can do is try. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers of SCON, as this day comes every year and we all do celebrate it with full enthusiasm for our teachers. But this year, unfortunately, as we all know, it is somewhat different due to COVID. So here is a small effort to all the teachers who played a role in my life in these 4 years of college, one way or the other. Few lines for you. I had nowhere to turn, had nowhere to go. This is just something I think you need to know. I don't know what made me trust you. I still remember the day when I told you what I have been through. I would like to recite a poem for you all. When I began your class, I think I knew the kind of challenges you'd make me face. You gave me motivation to pursue the best and to reject the commonplace. Your thinking really opened up my mind. With wisdom, style and grace, you made me see that what I would choose to seek, I would surely find. You shook me out of my complacency. I thank you now for everything you have done. What you have taught me, I will not outgrow. Your kind attention touched my mind and heart.
गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। अर्थात गुरुओं का स्थान भगवान से भी ऊंचा होता है। गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल टीचर्स। I want to wish you all a very very happy Teachers' Day. Really, I want to thank each and every one of you for motivating us, for imparting your knowledge and for guiding us throughout our SCON journey. Every year we used to celebrate Teachers' Day and this year we are unable. So I'm really missing everything related to it, and I want to say you all are very awesome in your own way. You all are best. Thank you for being the way you are. Thank you for being so warm, so genuine, so knowledgeable, and I want to thank for being such a wonderful mentor and wonderful guide for all of us. And you all have different place in my heart, and I will miss you when I will leave college and even after that. Thank you.